I'm sorry, my advantage was knowledge applied consistently. Today that knowledge earned me over 100,000 bucks a week and funds multiple properties. I share it all in Telegram through free training and my signals. Join my community and message me. Knowledge wins every time. Every pattern has a rhythm: rise, pause, release. Once you learn that rhythm, you can trade almost by instinct. Not blind intuition, but trained repetition. You react because you've lived this scenario before. Memory becomes your system.
We are opening 3 sell trades here. The price made a strong pullback, so we are entering on the correction. Let's mark the area. The uptrend was very strong, and now we finally see a clear touch on the upper band. When you see 5 or more candles touching the top, don't sell too early. Wait for the pullback candle to close, then open the trade against the trend. In our case, everything lines up perfectly. The overbought zone, the reversal candle, and the timing. A bit over 10 seconds left.
Making consistent profit isn't like it's knowledge. That's why in my Telegram I teach strategies step by step and give daily signals with strong accuracy. Join the Sawyer Community and learn how to trade like pro.
And as expected, all 3 trades closed in profit.
I never chase after a candle that's already moved. If you see the move, you're already late. I prepare before it happens. I identify pressure zones and traps. When price hits the area, I'm ready to act instantly. Preparation makes reaction possible.
Here we will open a trade for an increase. I will wait for a price pullback. We open again for 1 minute. Let's highlight the working area. We have a downward dynamic. A new point of contact is forming after the formation of new local low. The price should go into a correction. The movement dynamics within the next minute or two should give us a pullback. Further, we can see here an exit from the oversold zone according to the CCI oscillator. Therefore, we will also wait for the exit, and for this reason we open the trade for an increase. As you can see, we didn't open the trade at the most ideal moment, but since I saw the exit from the oversold zone, I wasn't afraid and opened the trade against the trend. And the trade, as I promised, closed in profit.
I end each day by reviewing reactions, not just results. Did I move too early or too late? That question shapes tomorrow's accuracy, because mastery isn't winning, it's understanding why. Precision is endless practice. When price explodes, most traders lose focus. The noise, the rush, the instant movement, it's overwhelming. But impulses aren't chaos if you have seen them 1,000 times. I breathe slower when the chart moves faster. Calmness keeps execution clean. Click the link below and see the real strategy in action. Completely free. I personally teach my members during live practice sessions so they can understand every step of the progress. Join the Telegram, get your free strategy breakdown, and start trading with knowledge, not luck.